Where is the machine? There is Goldmark. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia. Today, I'm truly honored to demonstrate the exceptional performance of our 3 kW GM3050F laser cutting machine, the preferred choice of 85% of our customers. It can cut 1 to 20 mm carbon steel, 1 to 10 mm stainless steel, and 10 mm aluminum with an accuracy of up to 0.02 mm. Watch me easily cut 3 mm carbon steel into a mini grill. Completely burr-free, deformation-free, and without any rough marks. Every part you see can be directly assembled after cutting, no secondary processing required. All our equipment is internationally certified with CE, FDA, ISO 9001, and so on. Our commitment doesn't end with delivery. We also offer customized on-site training, regular software updates, engineer-assisted machine installation, and free 24 hours online technical support. We look forward to empowering your production journey. Bye!